Awubukele, please. Sikhalile ukuqaliseni lokho esikhala. Sikhalela last week. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Please remember to subscribe, subscribe,
Subscribe,
subscribe.
subscribe. Right. Highlanders has got two big problems in Highlanders where people they don't realize. I'm sorry, angilanda ukuthi lizanthanda versus lentande, but iqiniso fuze likhulunywe. Ibhathi yalihlohlo. Ama problems angu-two kwa-Highlanders, it's one is the executive and two are the fans. Those are the two problems kwa-Highlanders abakhona. Those are the two problems abakhona. Ngike ngakhuluma siqalisa futhi episode ngoBenjamin ukuthi khona i-problem eleka kwa-Highlanders is patience. Ama-supporters e-Highlanders they lack patience. Ama-supporters e-Highlanders they think that eBoreni they are the only team that is supposed to win. Bekhohlwa ukuthi nxa ungena eground ama-team angu-2 afuna ukuyalwela i-3 points then eyi-1 ibisiyithatha. That's where the problem is. They do. Hello, for sure.
Awufa.
Nandi mthana.
Indaba abantu umoya uphansi. Off camera abantu umoya uphezulu. Yikuyini kanti? Uhamba njani?
Aqala uMasutu.
Mnandi
Umoya
sasukujwayele mnandi mthana.
umenza ukuthi sithi cameras rolling. Camera mbona abantu uhamba njani?
Uyabe ukwazi sekumele sikhuluma amaqiniso manje. Into eyenzakalile.
Awusa-pretend.
But
you see?
Ngishilo mntana.
Butho?
Hola.
Ubhekela lapho imbinga.
Ngamula, celebrity.
This is trend now.
Celebrity.
Imbonelo Thwambane lo uHarare.
Madam Boss. Lama minister bro.
Lama minister. Uyisi bro. Chance. Uhlelo lokho liqhubeka. Ngifuna uhlezi nje on the spot. Umkhanti ngabantu be Lucky Bets. Ama man of the match wabonini?
Sawonile.
Kakhulu.
Yeah. And
ngesaturday ama-game ngesaturday ubona ubani man of the match? Ke nje ngufaya ngenze ngabona ukuthi ngifuna fire on the spot.
Nawuthi ngase ngikwatile but ngiyawazi ukuthi ngangijezi number 1. Igama lakhe ngiyalikhohlwa lo mfana.
But lebizo elichazayo.
Lebizo elichazayo.
Ngefriday
wayigqoma 14.
Ngefriday.
Thongo Chelsea.
Chelsea ezeki.
Ngefriday win uChelsea with Telwan. Twa Chelsea manyakope imbenya. Then unole Jimsona for Scotland.
On point.
Then kwasokuwina uFarai tsika uFarai wechikenini. Isibongo sakhe siyahlupha ukusimemeza lesena. Vele kuyina uFarai.
Eningokini.
Kuyina uFarai.
Engwe team yakho.
Isibongo sinzima bro. Isibongo sinzima bachaphela abafana namanje angabajayeli.
Farai thina kwadi.
Thina kwadi lo munye uFarai futhi nyawelo kuze nini wengezi plus now.
Madananga ngothiwa ngumadananga.
Usuyifunde kumele uyilandele nje ke Lucky Bets.
Uyachitha ubuthu vale 40.
Ngono already bereze so. Ngono uyilandele Lucky Bets. Uyilandele Lucky Bets ku Facebook. Ama updates yakwathola. Then kule competition ukuthi uya predict man of the match.
Alright.
Nga vele igame la njengabanye bethu lapha abaningi.
Igazi lahle linjele.
Uyahluza winele ama free bets. I-World Cup yabuya nje.
Njengayo World Cup so.
I-World Cup yabuya uhluza bhejela ama free bets, uwina ama free bets. Uhlu bheje ibhola. So i competition eyenzakala lokho iqhubeka Lucky Bets ku Facebook page yona but sesibhodile ilizwe abantu they are happy ukuthi eZimbabwe finally there is something that's happening. Kulabanye bakhala bathi imali incane bathi there's always a start. Angazi abantu bakhala
Bani umuntu $200 wena ngathi
imagine
ngelanga isivu 70 eligqoka ithayi elihloniphekayo alisebenzeli more than $20. 8 hours when uyogijima 2 hours uphiwe $200
ungakwazi futhi
ungakwazi ukuthi ngozayithola
kungayisi ukuthi uyabuyisebenzile phela lana
i-reward
kungayisi ukuthi la i-reward lana ayisi ukuthi uyabukwazi kunje so okutsho ngokuthi uyabusiya emsebenzini ukwazi 8 hours yami uyanikeza $15 uyanikeza $20 but laphana uyabukwazi ukuthi mina le month yami lokhu nje it's like ngama spices
it's spice something which uphumba kuyiphiwa nje
so ngisolthi incane
into emfuku uyisho nje ukuthi abantu they are happy.
Yeah,
abantu
I'm happy too.
Abantu they are happy
even ngiyangizwa ama-fans amaningi they are happy
ukuthi finally ama players are being motivated which is a good thing. Channel i-Deb3 TV hlala sikhuluma wena osibukeleyo please subscribe ungasubscribe
akufuni imali ukusubscribe nje ukubotoza
kubhaliwe khona ukuthi subscribe
ungathinta abakubuza ama-details ama-banking details ayimali ukuthinta ukuphila soku-right.
Want the family to grow just subscribe khona pha ube part of the family.
Ngoba manje ngaqalisa phansi ngathi subscribe sithi manje imali yakho ngiyanthetha ngayo akufuni imali hlaba kuphela bonke kuyenza
nxuse abanye subscribe njalo
Oganethi bathi mnandi Masudu lokhu khona sokusela amalutshwana Highlanders African gin
le ngizwile ithi mnandi kulo ndoda ade inatha uthe toro uthe mase qetha uthi haya mnandi utshela lo mnandi
hayi
uyibonile toro andu inotha toro wayanganathi thethe uthi utshela lo mnandi mnandi lo utshela lo atshela lo mnandi what language
ube nathana le yasayinwa ama-legend ube nathana le yasayinwa ama-legend
ube nikezwe thamba ni comedian lokho zena uNtando ube nizwe nguNtando bebenganabazwani lo Ntando beqayisa engakamnathisi utese daka
sekhuluma imolo
sebe one page
lokho ekhona bhasi ukusela amalutshwana
so ufuna ukufundisa indebele nazo
limited edition guys Highlanders African gin just order amajita afaka inumber order khona apha ikhona Deb3 sibonge aba-odile abantu bazwile last week ba-odile ba-deliverile abanye babuyile bathatha into zabo bathi imnandi this week i-Highlanders i-home mbonani kuyafiwa ilokhu nje ijini le izahambe i-Highlanders African gin besingakabingelelani kuhle welcome to Pass and Move number 1 soccer podcast in the land akule elandelayo it's a Pass and Move podcast ikhethi ukwenzayo khona lapha kuyafika majuda this week hey there's a lot that happened but I'm happy abona ngichaye Warrior Pride ngithi ngihappy yazi abantu lamanye ndlala ngikhalaza ngithi maybe ngce ngeenkape kuyafika nonsense
sizibonile let's khangele
bambuyile
quality
yeke noma suthi ehlale ecomplaint uceca wedwa
hayi mbizwe ngumnikazi welokhuzini we-sport zone
wehle kumthetho kulabanye abafuna
ngimtshelile uthe anti yakwazi abantu umuntu nomuntu yenza ngendlela yakhe uthe kala uzwe i-Warrior Pride ibuyile isitholakala e-sport zone abayifunayo njoba kule foundations ezenzakalayo ama-Mighty Warriors ahambe eZambia maybe bengasenza happy uqoka nje uzwe la ukuthi i-Warrior Pride injani angabe ngiphonga ukhera bengakayidrinki khona ngidrinki namuhla manje ngiyathi ngibamba but ngiyezwa ukuthi equality yiyo sebenzi le badge
hayi
asombombayo
asokupenda
hayi asopenda bachuna zibini Warrior Pride iyagqokeka abona bathi UK bezithenga ama-60 pounds but ungihamba lapha e-sport zone uyayithola ngeprice e-sharp i-sport zone number 2 shop number 2 eMeship House lapha Meship House just opposite eBulawayo Center ikho sport zone khona pha ama-jerseys azafaka ilokho zeni there is everything ama-jersey yonke into cricket sport but balento yonke i-sport zone ngabanye esihambisana lapho ngihle ngakhuluma ukuthi uyakalti one man band. Awona ungichecka njani. Ngike ngakhuluma lokhu izinto ama-Mighty Warriors ahambile eZambia. First game badlale Lesotho. Bangayitshayisa Lesotho.
Abayikatsile.
Abayitshaya kakhulu 3. Uyibonile igame kumbe?
No, bengifollowa ama-updates. But ngilandela njengomuntu ade engakhalelanga okuningi. Kodwa kuyihope kukhona mbijana ngenxa ukuthi khathesi bakhethe i-league i-women's league i-active. So nxa i-league i-active kungangokuthi ama-chances 90% bakhetha ngeform. Singasabali ukwazana bakhetha ngokuthi mbani odlala kuhle. So yiko oyabuthole khona kuyi-percentage kwe-hope lapho ukuthi hayi since bekhethwe ngeform besadlala bengafika ngale nxa i-rhythm iqhubeka nje benga-approacha something okungcono. So sesisalinda ukubona ukuthi bazayenza njani against Zambia ku-final, but congratulations for a win against Lesotho.
Kwahlohla u-Ethel Chinyerere, Rutendo Makore, lo captain Immaculate Msipa. The 3 goals. Mina what I was happy about, ngihlala ngikhala ngama-travel arrangements ukuthi even kwesikhathi I was happy to see the ladies flying to Zambia, which ensel ukuthi iZifa is doing something good. That is why sesibona ama-results anjengana lawo. iZambia la iwinile kusasa anashuta namhla kuyimandi, kusasa Tuesday i-final kari Zimbabwe versus Zambia kuyafiwa
Sibangile Limpopo.
Battle of
Zambia. I think Lami as a Zimbabwean, you feel that sense of pride, honor, and confidence to call yourself a Zimbabwean because
by sports zone skip.
Ngisakhuluma Mighty Warriors. Sihle sibili skipper sakho and those girls, you know, kuyajabulisa ukuthi ubone those like the names you're mentioning or Mama Kore and the captain is scoring there. It shows that it's good leadership and preparation was okay. Like what Tukanete said, the league is active and they are informed. So we're expecting better results to come from the girls. Sometimes Amankazana, they disappoint us less than men, but they are less supported than men. So we see support Kula Passenger. It's disappointed more than that person got disappointed but nonetheless
yes. What you did nonetheless.
Sesikhangela ukuthi kona be put up a better show for the final, which is on tomorrow. We're going to be following up. Now we've got raising our hopes. Unlike the first game. This first game basis kind maybe nje sihlala singaba vandalize wayo. Kanti singakwazi lathi sisivandalize ilanguage kaMasuthu. So we finally vandalized someone and we're going to vandalize them at the end.
Baleke lanzelile ngakhuluma ngo-vandalize. Ama-team elebese vandalize.
Imala lengavele likhulu.
Ungavele kukhulu.
Umoya sukuma.
Kubuya other way around.
Umuntu esekhuluma so yafithi Zambia isenzele
sesivandalize.
Manini ngebala leli.
Akathi siyangena Sukman. Akathi siyavandalize kahle.
Amantombazana ehambeke kuma flight so
siyavandalize.
It's a positive thing abayenzayo. Kuyaba motivate
kakhulu.
Kuyaba ukuthi mawuyenza into ubondla you are much appreciated. So khona enye into vele abantu abadingi that is support enzima. Bafuna that kind of support kuphela labo ukuze kufeel kubonakala
kakhulu. Yabona ezinye izinto esizithatha izinto ezinormal ezincane but to somebody else it's a big thing. Yabona ukuphapha konokana ngefarmachine asonto emangalisa kakhulu. For somebody else you have been flying once and again regularly. But for somebody else umthethe from the streets, it's the first time to fly. Kazange cabanga ukuthi khona uzaphapha kwelindanga.
Umphaphisi eZambia
uSezambia etuzani lapha ephaphe la. You know, khona it's a motivation enough ukuthi khona if nxa ngakudlala kuhle for the national team, which means how many more flights am I going to get?
True.
But abantu abaningi babona into khona akumangalisa ukuphapha, but it's something which is ejabulisa omunye umuntu lami ngeke ngahambe emoyeni khona ukhana it's a motivation, so we say thumbs up to Izifo ngoba iphupho lomunye impilo yakho sometimes ingaba liphupho lomunye umuntu
kakhulu.
That's how it is in life.
Iqiniso Seven. Let's hope tomorrow the girls will do us proud.
Obviously, don't hope, I believe so.
Because the preparation. They're preparing for AFCON tournaments abuya. Ngiyathanda ukuthi Izifo is using ama calendar well enough ukuthi ama teams sesiba active.
Exactly.
I'm just hoping ukuthi kuyayehlela even kuma juniors, because for a long time ama juniors bengaperform. Recently saw under 17 AFCON were not there. Sifuna ukuthi lathi sitholakale in the near future even ama juniors amankazana both boys and girls bethola ama tournaments andana doing well into enhle ekukhuliseni ibhola like. Speaking about doing well, we are seeing improvement. Kunini isikhathi ukuthi abantu belayini ema stadiums bethwala nzima ama issues okungena, but awukayenzakala eBulawayo ukuthi sikhulume ngento esibone eduze, but in some stadiums sokuyenzakala. Besikhuluma labana recently yani game national sports, although kusuke ama challenges, ngifuna ukuthi ngizwe nje ama perspective about ticketing system esifaka iPSL ukuthi now they're selling ama advanced tickets, fans are getting tickets in advance. Sebebuye ema stadiums bethola ama tickets. Libona njani indaba yena le?
Yeah, it's something which is a noble idea, something which can say give thumbs up to it, because one, it improves accountability, it improves the efficiency, or even reduces the stampede ticketing ungena lapana and so forth. And as well kuyayenza ukuthi khona abantu bebekwazi ukuthi khona I'm planning purposes. I'm planning to go for a game in let's say with chicken in the Cape United. You already know Wednesday I'm going for the game. We have already bought my ticket. So by so doing, we have also was ama plans akho se right. Awusapomba ukuthi vumbu sense. And two, inkinga of course konke kulama challenges akho nto ukuthi khona sokufuna inqabe njalo kube lamalutshwane efuthi ngapi e ground, or rather kube le awareness campaign yokuthi abantu bebekwazi ukuthi khona with immediate effect, or from this match week number 20 we will be no longer selling ama tickets ema ground. Abantu abahlale besuke benjani bethengela ama tickets, so that ukuthi lami ngangikhambe ground ngikwazi vele sense ground sendithela ticket lami lokho eboreni nxa ngathola imali yami ngihlale nginjani. And futhi by so doing it makes it easy ukuthi mina ngikwanisa ukuthi ngibhadalele uGanetti, ngibhadalele uMasuthi, ngibhadalele ubani, because ngingathengela mina namhla ticket uMasuthi engicela ukuthi ndokuze into already niza kudingela kusiyafika Tuesday sendithengela uMasuthi, uGanetti la engicela kusafika Wednesday sendithengela omunye. Angisakhali
nge5 ukuthi iningi.
Hayi even nanxa iningi, that's why ngifaka ama days amani that's why ngistaka, but nxa ungathi khona ngizombhadalele ngu4 sensayikhipha i20 ka1 psychologically it becomes more.
Yeah,
but even though ilingana psychologically it becomes more. But nxa ngayistaka into right, let me budget well, ngihambe ngehlanganisa imali zami team jibila yami thanci ngibhadale, team jibila yami thanci ngibhadale. Ngiyabona into khona ngibhadala i5 ngabhadala i5 ngelanga, but mina at the end of the day ngibhadala imali $20. So it can improve futhi more abantu abazabuye ground. And by so doing kuzafuna futhi sifundiswe abantu ukuthi nxa sikwenza on kulokuze kuma social media internet sikwenza njani, because into lezi asizazi isikhiwa nasiqasa ukubona isikhiwa sesikhulile kuchina labantwana abakufunda lakho, but it's a good idea.
Ascot langene njani? Ascot langene njani?
Ascot sabhadala and lapha vele nganokule nkinga lapha. Ascot one o market wakhona lokha loba sasikhala eBF, hayi Ascot was too much. Uyaqala traffic usiyakhona le road anjawazi it's one way. Uyaqala traffic usiyakhona traffic ezimoto mawufika hayi line yakhona is too much there. Khona kana mbona mabenga introduce ukhana Ascot kuba ngcono ngoba abantu bangale bathola amabhisi ebhatalile la uthola ubhatala, and that will improve even ndokutshontsha kwezimali.
Accountability.
Akusezothi
ungena uthi ngu15,000 kule 20.
Angeke uzothiwa kulabantu abayi 10,000. Ubona kule 10,000 abantu, but ubona irecord ile 2,000. Yabo? Because what we know ukuthi eBF khona phana ngabe ama stadium khona after lapha songani kuyaphithizela omunye umuntu uyabhadala $5 bengene beyi6. bechiye $10 laba. So ikuzwe ukuthi hayi team ayila mali but abantu begcwele uze sesicomplain abantu begcwele lokwezena ama guest taking athi hayi guest taking kuthathwa abalutshwana enye imali ezikhwameni zabo.
Yes.
Izinto elifuze lizireport lina elizibona senzakala.
Babezibona sehle reportini. Reportini.
Ekromile zomele kunyikinyekwe nje.
Idelana national sports ngabona kula ama challenges abantu abanye babenganabazwanga abantu bawuthiwa vele inqondo leticket ungabuyi eground. Abantu bathuje eground bengela manje abanye bagcina benza ukuyeqela, you understand?
That's what I was saying. With awareness campaign is very important because also it's a first initiative. Uthi kona uswele nama tickets eketini. At least over namalutshwana eketini nokuthi kona for the sake of those abangazwanga so bathengisela then so bathi kona we've got limited number of tickets ama tickets sephelile at least abantu bayazonda okungcono but unlike ukuthi kona just imagine kulabantu abathanda ibhora abanjengathi abahlaniswa libhora njengathi I've driven from here to Harare then I mean they in Harare semfungene ground so kukhona ama ticket abethengiswa kuma outlets before the match sewufuze njani ngiphenduke futhi mahara ngibuya ngapha. Those are the things ekwenza kucine kusiba lomsindo ede lubalekile nalwana the same thing eyenzakala eChawani ukuthi kucine sekuvulwa amagate ngendlela engayisiyo. We are not I don't support that. I don't condone that violence but ngithi abantu ingqondo eziningi zicina zibuya because of frustration. So umuntu se frustrated libalekile ukuthi kube nama stampede umuntu sesenza into misbehavior because calculator the loss of fuel, the loss of imali ayisebenzisile ama toll gate engqwaqweni sezaphinda futhi ebhadale futhi ama toll gate for nothing. You understand?
So iPSL ilomsebenzi.
So ilomlando ukuthi ingakho kwenza fully ababe lesikhathi sokufundisa abantu bebe awareness bekwazi ukujwayela.
Because mbonile game Dynamos le manika la ama tickets bekuthiwa athengiswe ground eAdrock le Simba Bora ama tickets la abengathengiswe ground. Kanti I think
even it Dynamos le Caps lana 25,000 ama ticket amaningi anti bayathengisa before the match but khona kana nje ndikubona that is why ubona yokwanza ukuthi ukuhosta 25,000 but irufari incane kule BF iBF ekigcwala itipami uzotha 14,000 so khona kana dokhuluma masuthi ukuthi imali ziyatshontshakala nxa kunjani kungela situation accountability njalo but ungavela ukuhlala kubhadaliwe in advance there's no way lapha ezaqasa ukuthi khona silitshontshe liyasala litshontshela nezinto esingela ndaba lazo but yethu sisithethe
because ama fans they were happy even elokhuzeni eChawandi izolo bebe happy ngesystem yakho ama tickets sizwile sibili siwathenge ngaphi ngasiwathenge but sile problem ukuthi ama tickets akhona aphuza ukufika understand ngezinye izindlela I think iPSL right lomdlalo but overall we can say system lana is the way to go
if it's correctly implemented it's a good thing ama ticket available
ukubona elokhuzeni eBF futhi baza
but bewafake lawa athengiswa khophana besenzela abanye abantu umuntu wabesuka khatshana
sisaqalisa phela sona sisaqalisa for this season I recommend ukuthi bekuyenza egedini maybe kube lamalutshwana but next season sesikwazi totally akusela ama tickets egedini athengiswa.
So lami i-idea bemfuna ukuyisupporta but also ngendlela yoku andikathesi ababukeli babukele la i-change vele guaranteed lapho ebuya khona iyakhoza ile resistance bakhona vele abantu abathi even kathesi ekwanisa ukuthi ethenge ticket in advance lapha hlezi khona ukuthi abahlanja ngekwenza yabona ngikwenzelana
but uqinisa disappointed uzofika estadium
yabona so into le vele iseva entweni eziningi yabona nxa sikhuluma into zama stamp zone ezokuthi ukungena kubanzima eground ngoba imagine kathesi umuntu efike lapha wafike bambe $20 efuna ukuthenga iticket eli1 le $5 so kulama minutes ahamba ukudinga ichange yabona
le change bihlupha
kube lo munye ubuya le soft money ibank ufuna ukuswipe noma ufuna ukwenza itransfer sokulinda sokuthiwa i-network yabona but abo-network bengahlala besihluphe kudala nge-Wednesday before igame saqedelana lakho igame ifika phela sifike singabangena yabona into zangikhona i-movement iba smooth lokungena eground ungena ulaka lolutshwana yabona so into le ayibenefit only PSA kuphela iyatshintsha le match day experience for thina ama-supporters ukuthi lathi nje okwezinto okunye nje okuncane nxa kusihambela kuhle nje uyakholisa ukuba sebhoreni nxa uphenduka bekubusibe kunjani lawe yathi hayi team ichayiwe kodwa akule ezinye stress
but I'm happy ngama improvements ona la ebhoreni lakithi it shows ukuthi ama authorities afuna ibhora lethu although ama problems asesemaningi speaking about ama-problem awu-ref bajethu hayi iviki ekhaya besibancoma nje
The previous episode.
Because of ikhosi yabo liyana sithi awu-ref batshaye sharp. Abanye u-ref mina ngizathanda ukukhulumela uBhuru kabutho esihlala sikhala. Hayi nxa ibukele. Yabona Nelson Megan. Nelson Megan. Mdala asimsolile kakhulu ku-episode esithi ususpendiwe ama-suspension because bese-suspendiwe kwathiwa umuntu utshaya impembe nje izolo umuntu utshaya impembe bra utshaya impembe iground yathula after boring ama-support esithi ref anokugona ngabona ubhuru wakho ivonda esebhala ukuthi bekula mama-allowance oref bakithi nje utshaya impembe mfuna isikhayela indaba le both sides ukususpendwa kuyanceda bakhona oref abayimprova or kule ndawo lapho esiyikhutha khona unga-check this week last week besithi this week kunama-incidents about 3 or 4 abakhala ama-officials bakhala unga-check igame I think igame eCapes kuthiwa uref abachanga sharp iref igame ye-Dynamos bakhala bathi uref abachanga sharp igame which game elabo besola khona uref I think we have about 4 incidents.
Yeah, yabona, we as people have to learn to give credit.
Oh, sorry,
we have to learn to give credit where it's true. I see ukuthi kona thina especially yet ku-podcast lapha we are just there to criticize. Ngihlala ngikhuluma mina ngithi kona i-problem yethu thina abantu abamnyama ukuthi sibelieve ukuthi ukuze uthiwa ngiyakwazi ibhora kufuze ngichothoze kumbe ngicriticize. But sometimes you have to give a comment, you have to give credit where it's true. Like what we're saying, angisalibonanga izolo kaloku ele-hard rock because bembonele Capes. So when he did good, we say thumbs up and we thank him for improving from the last errors which he was doing, and we pray that ukuthi qhubekele phambili njalo.
Yes.
But ngizakhuluma a bit about igame ye-Capes engibonile. And what I've realized mostly about abantu, especially thina ama-fans, sibukele ibhora singalizwisisi. It is nice to understand and to read and to start further ama-laws of the game. That is why empilweni even nxa uphila nxa unga-understand imithetho you end up being in trouble because you don't understand imithetho. I for example, I was once in trouble ngenxa yokunga-understand umthetho. Umuntu wangigcinisa imali yakhe, ngathatha imali yakhe ngayinika omunye umuntu ukuthi ehambise, umuntu lona waseyidla. So mina ngasengitsheda ndaqala, but ngasendliwa licala lokuthi khona i-theft on trust property because yimi engandithenjiwe angisayihambisanga lapha efuze khona. Uyabona imistake ekhona. That's the same thing about football. Abantu they judge sometimes or ref benga understand, especially game lane ekhona e-hard rock le Dynamos. That's the same thing okwenzakala. The problem was there between ama-fans versus fans is because everyone was interpreting umthetho webhora ngendlela yakhe, not according to the laws of football. That is where the problem was. So izolo uref we Capes United, he made, I think, according to me, 2 mistakes. The first one is the goal which was denied for Capes United, whereby it was charged in offside, and the second one was the penalty which was awarded. I-penalty like nxa ngathi ngabe i-penalty umbibanjwa isandla umbingabanjwanga isandla lokhana kuya i-judgment yakhe, but i-query yami was after the handball the play ibhora lidlaliwe for more than about 30 seconds to a minute thereabout, then ama-players e-Capes ahamba ku-ref bakuthi i-penalty, uref wakhombela i-penalty. That is where the problem was to me.
Even winner.
Match winner. That is where the problem was to me. Even that nxa subona i-replay yakhona ibhora lakhona belitshengisa ukuthi khona of course bekule possibility of a handball, but ngenxa yokuthi ibhora lisatshintanga iside i-direction itshengisa ukuthi alithintanga umuntu, but lokhana kimi andaba lakho because i-penalty at the end of the day i-handball ijudgwa ngubani nguref, but khona ukuthi after the protest of the players then you point to the sport. Yikho kwele problem khona game, so that uref ambone upper man sekhona kulezo.
It's elena i-mistake enkulu kakhulu. Inkulu kakhulu. 1-2 ya decide igame. Yikho izife site khona ukuthi uref uyenze i-decision embi ethwani influencer the outcome of the match. Nxa kwenzakala njalo would like to see izifa i-actor. Kodwa kutshona kulezikhalazo ukuthi u-Ashi lapho kwabuza ukuthi ukususpend abo-ref kuyalungisa yini indaba. So lami ngilokutshona ngizibuza ukuthi kanti o-ref laba baye besebenza labo bani, yabona. Sike sabuzana lama-gents kwezinye indawo bathi ungasuspend u-ref uyenza ama-decisions kulabo linesmen abayi-2 kulo fourth official wangale. So nxa ususpende lo osesenta lo, laba kade besebenza la abavumelane laye abangazange bamphikisa, bona ababi lecala yini, ababi liable yini ukuthi ngabantu i-team eyi-1 le. So nxa lo sesendenza i-mistake laba bamkhuzi or abathini. So I think kuba unfair for umuntu osesenta ukuthi ebe nguye opanishwa yedwa. But ukuthi nje incwadi yabe isuke yabhalwa u-match commission ukuthi hayi u-ref usuke wathi so. But would like to see abo-linesmen labo ama-fourth
bakhona
official.
linesmen sibili abake enalesi besikhulume kaNelson wasuspendela labo linemen bakhe. Wasuspendela. But mina my thing is usumsuspendini. Utholani ukhona yini umunye umuntu oyabe elayo because we've seen kwamanye ama-league abakususpend they demote you for a certain time to a lower league because i-referee ifuna i-practice continuous. So ungamsuspend ehlala endlini
I-rust.
uyaba le-rust futhi. So ngenye into
but until i-suspension le inje, so you are not suspended from training, you are suspended from officiating
yikho esikutsho uyatraina uyatraina umuref
vele bona batraina ngasikhathi sonke.
hayi
I understand the point what he's saying. Nxa ususpendiwe laphana as u-ref, you are going back to the drawing board to revise ama-games akho athi wa-officiate and see i-mistake oyenzileyo. But at the same time uyabustata ama-laws of the game, understanding the laws of the game, the mistakes that you have done. Then after that
any ref can do that. Any ref angena ku laptop ebukela amanye ama-game check, but it's different la nxa uku-pitch.
I think yeah.
You understand? So u-ref ngamsuspendini. Umsuspend from Premier League. Uthi all right ndoda 6 games or refute Division 1. Not like uthi Division 1 is a bad league, but it's a league lower than the Premier League because continuous uyabenjani uyabecha improve elo commissioner or elo muntu ozabe emkhangela ukuthi but he has improved ngoba but kulo kuyahlala endlini ukhayele laptop, it's a different story manje.
Yeah,
That's why we
because vele ungamsuspend
anje
asithi kade nguref maybe my chayisa ahambe ezitrainela la ekwazi ukuthi hayi weekend on Sunday I'll be officiating endaweni eningi. But just because you suspend you for 3 weeks uyamthola ezihlalile vele ngaye uyabekwazi ukuthi yikho sithi uyabuya sele rest
njengalaba bakithi
owezitshayela igazi
uyathola izitshayela igazi vele
sephambanisa le fitness.
I think mina ngedwa mina ngiyavumelana ukuthi u-ref besuspend even
asiyali
athi siyavuma ukuthi asuspend, but during besuspendiwe bathatha waba ama-measures because maye suspendiwe nje
make sure uya correct
asibutho maye engasuspendwanga nje usazi uyansuspendwanga wena unguref uya officiate umdlalo ngesanda nje singakulanda ngeThursday sithi butha sambe angeke uvume maybe uyabe usiya trainer kumbe usayenzani ngeFriday futhi uyabe ukwazi ukuthi ngendlela but maye ususpendiwe
ngiyakuzwa kuhle nyalezi point elikhulumayo. Let me come back to you. Ngizama udinga umzekeliso lo. Ulwazi umntwana wesikolo ulithatha ku-exam kumbe ulithatha ekufundeni lokustata eyedwa. Mana kuchiyananga. The same thing laseBoreni. What we see eBoreni on the match day is the result of the training they do off the pitch.
Vele kuchiyene lakhona lokuchiyene. Training mana ngutshela.
O-ref labo bayatraina yikubona nxa betraina lapha babegijima bechaya impembe p offside eyenzi p corner kick eyenze khona kana that's the training they do. So uyabe ikwenza konke lokho. Then on the match day sesenza into as training lesi implement on the match day.
Ikezama ukukulungisa ukuthi that's always why is not match fit. About you are not training fit. We are not match fit.
But how do you gain match fit? If it match fitness through training and
by continuously practicing and playing.
By practice we mean ukuthi ulama games.
Yes.
Ongaso training.
Yike ngusho ukuthi kwenzela kanye ithi ngizama ukuthi because uzambe ehlala endlini 6 weeks. Ubukela ama laptop usenzana uvuka usiyagijima. It's different bra.
The only way uzabakwazi khona ukuthi ufundile ukuthi upractice ukwenza. ungaphambanisa sikubisele futhi
or ama-junior matches rather or division 2 matches because ulama matches kulo muntu ohamba la uthi alright uGanye ususpendiwe uyarefura ku-division 2 ngimkhangele ngiyammakela hayi lapha waphambanisa kwakuyi-offside but khathesi amagemini lawo ayi-6 awarefule ku-division 2 offside seyibambile lapha seyimprovile sebekubisela ku-Premier League match vele uyabusungumchina
mo usungumchina
kuyenzakala even for ama-players ungakhayela ama-players even ayabevela ku-injury ukutrain yabetrainer kodwa nxa sokuthiwa somele elungiselele ukuqala ukuyadlala ku-senior team abanye bajikelwa kuma-juniors ngathi
yes
eqale befit edlala lama-juniors until beze bebonta no gradual umuntu lo sengadlala labanye bakhe and lakho futhi nxa ebuzodlala labanye bakhe akabuye ehle ngene
khonapho
bafika bemthi 87 kwelinye labe mthi 70 kwelinye la 90 minutes so I think for ama-referees ama-match officials labana I think suspension yabo yabingcono nxa ingaba suspension elokuthi kule continued facilitation yokuthi bebe improve engaso just ukubala.
I understand what you're saying, but look at what we're saying. You're talking about Nelson, he came back better. He's now better, but konke khona kana
uyakuthi wakukhuluma futhi wena ipoint nale Nelson ngabafana abancane they want to climb ama-ladders abantu sijiyene mentally they want to climb ama-ladders begcine sebe acknowledgewa i-CAF so umuntu onjalo uyabumbona i-determination yakhe but okude khulunywa ngomasudu ukuthi kulo munye umuntu even ama-players proper wakhona amanye ama-player ukuthi engathola abanye abantu abalemali bethi bayachaya igasi uyambona sehamba siyachaya igasi ayi-player so yena uthi ukhangelele ukuthi ufuna ukuya nga
ebesekhohle
uyabe uplayer but kulo amanye ama-player ukuthi ule self discipline we've seen ama-players like you can make examples.
I understand what you're saying. Namhla ngiyengisupport urefu kancane hlezi ngibachothoza but I think mina ngiyedwa what I understand and for somebody to be the best or to improve you have to make a lot of mistakes. By making those mistakes we learn from those mistakes and at the end of the day you become perfect. You cannot become a pro without making a mistake. You cannot become a pro by not making a mistakes. And you cannot recognize your mistakes without being corrected. So you only recognize your mistake when you are being corrected and given a chance to rectify. Now, that's what I'm saying. The training of a referee is done. They always do a refresher course. They always train now and again. But train now and again before they're being selected for a match day. So konokana ukuthi uzate suspend you from Premier League or officiating 4-5 games on those period ufuze ehlale match fit so that ukuthi nxa sebemselect fit as well. So I think akula need ukuthi ezeye ku division 2 3 4 ngale kuyadependa ngokuthi uyenzeni nxa se suspend sebe silary offender that's when demote khona
lokho siyaku mana sidlule ke sibonile yabo ref kube lama games gents I think division 1 football bese singayiniki isikhathi just in brief imono Motapa Cup which was played
Central region
centrally southern
yaqeda midweek leyana
yeah Central region we saw our teams progressing the Chapungu I think we win on penalties 7-6 Kwanda Pirates
we need 3-1 against
MSU we 3-0
Central ipindela le league futhi
idlala amanye ama teams adlalile ama league even in Southern amanye ike yaba nama league imuno Motapa Cup besingakayifayile lihlo but now ngana ama team asesiya ku stage nje siyana ukuthi it's getting close ukuthi
kube ezinkulu
zingene engwaneni lezinkulu. Are you happy with ama teams that have progressed from division 1?
They're showing resilience, consistency, and by so doing, I think we're going to have a surprise package from those teams as a chama team akuleague amanye akhona.
Njengayiphi oyibona ukuthi oyifisela ukuthi because mina le game one ngiyamfisa ukuthi iGwanda Pirates beyinike yayilindi.
Mina so far
kule nto evuka uyibona.
Mina so far ama team lawa anjabo Gwanda Pirates oChapungu nje. Ngendlela abadlala ngayo they are showing ukuthi they are serious nje. ukuthi given a chance benganiki okhona phakathi benganiki o-Islander benganiki o-Scotland bangwani ko-chicken indaba badlula oKwanda Pirates badlula straight.
Ichicken has got a stronger team than the Islanders. Even though the results are not coming our way, but we've got a stronger team than the Islanders. So you have to be careful about what you are saying. The reason why is njalo la nxa ngakwazi ukuthi ufuna ukubona i-strike esasuswa kwa-Islanders ukuthi siyayenzana against Islanders.
Mina my reason is i-black and white eGwanda bethi drawn against the-Islander ePapafile Stadium. That would be an interesting game.
It would be a crowd puller foot.
Especially kuma-fans.
It would be a crowd puller. It would be a crowd puller foot.
Yiko phela ngithi uChicken iKwanda Pirates ngawina uChicken ngoba iKwanda Pirates ila ama-supporters ijwayele vele into ze-crowd. So manje udlala abantu ababukela beyi-6 laphana. Ayadlula. Then team yadlula.
Then ku-Southern Region u-Southern Region bekungama kule game ekhulunywe kakhulu Jens. Bekuya-Islander versus Zimbabwe Saints. Can you imagine?
Ubuthula.
2-2. Iposo 90 versus Zimbabwe Saints.
Yeah.
It's a fixture that could make Zimbabwe stand still. If you remember very well, Islanders versus Zimbabwe Saints, bekuyi blockbuster of a fixture. So in Kazi the fixture there. And to see Iposo 90 holding
exactly
Saints.
You got them for highlight that game for me 2-2 Leana. It's screaming improvement for i-Islanders Iposo 90. Ngoba very iligi baqalisele enzima. Yabasinda. Ba second from last. But isikhathi second to be 10 season around. So nxa bedlala bedraw le team njenge Zim Saints because Zim Saints ayikho bad. I-team engahlupha nje engadisturba engagcina idecide ukuthi yiphi team ezawina iligi.
But akhumbula we-highlighted i-technical bench eZimbabwe Saints la.
But ngokuzwa kwami ngani iZim Saints la ngani athi the problem ebafana ezimalini because ngani kade besithi abaholi isikhathi sesoti ngani 90 thimele enkinga kakhulu. Ukuthi win ya kanje izaba nzima according to ama-M aseduzane ngoba ngeke ngitsho ukuthi ngaka.
Yakhona ukuthi iZim Saints is a team which is rebuilding esivuka kacha. But trust me, if that team can manage to win up to uthi engena ku league, it's a team ethi nxa singene ku league it will draw more attention than another team ku league because of historical value or ibizo la elayo.
Exactly my point.
That's
exactly my point.
Because enzi Zimbabwe Saints
Chauya
squad.
Chapupi chinopupi
zakora pasi. Ubona manje. Wesingaphi isuka kobulawayo but itenywa ngesishona.
Hathi vele ungaremember historical. Kwakunjalo imashona lematebeleleni. So ama team lana asesukuma kanjalo. I-Islanders
isematebeleleni ndo tozenini ngabe i-Islanders. Lale lokuzenini iZimbabwe Saints. So those two teams when they come up together i-rival yakhona was more than i-rival yakhona between Islanders and Dynamos. But nxa ingakwanisa ukubuya iphinde iphenduke, trust me, ibhola leZimbabwe liyachaza futhi njalo.
Then kulenye team engichaza blind abantu abangayikhangeli abangayiboniyo Italian Vision.
Italian Vision improve kakhulu.
Italian proper.
It's always doing that now and again. At the end of the day, it's last
but
this season is worse.
But this time
we're not saying izawina. We're not saying asozi yenze khona kokutsho, but we're saying but this season itshengise lokho i-improvement is-serious than ama seasons. Kwama seasons uyabona ukuthi izathi kube le inconsistency and stuff. Kathezi vele ilokhu inamathela so khona phana phezulu.
Because ichana le wange.
I think ichana 3 points and then ipare wangile game.
Wangile game in India.
Hayi bore idlala elihle njalo ngani futhi lokuzena ama players ngani bayenza mnandi ama players njalo ama players adlala lapha ngathi ngabulokhu balo sithi TV Ama-players adlala lapha ngamanye la owaziyo la amanye akadlala ku-pro.
Talent Vision okunye ngikuthandela khona dala i-team obonayo ukuthi i-system eqale isilesikhathi lokhu izama
consistency.
bazama ukulokho
Implementa.
beyiqhubeka be-implementa bengabuya lama-ideas bayi-implement. So I think khathesi sesikupoint lana sesingathi hayi ama-ideas abo sengani sezama ukusebenza ukuthi bengaqhubeka next season baba a position better than lapha abakhona khathesi. So yeah, I think singaba because kare sibona abasazithi football team bazithi angazi because abasa-academy but kulobu development ize abakwenzayo ukuthi kulama
Because
teams
most
amancane.
ngabafana abancane ku-television.
That's true.
Then ku-Central Region we saw uKatsandela uthole lose, I think first lose home.
Yeah, very it was inevitable. He was going to lose one day or sometime. But for the ifine Ranaga Ichaliana, we are getting sometimes getting lose so that you can go back to the tropic and
So
cut
Central
again.
Eastern.
You cut against still in complacency because complacency is a very dangerous disease in football. You are better than anyone else, so it's needed as well.
I saw Iada, that side, ifuna uphenduka is serious. Eastern Region.
Yeah.
Eastern Region phela kuyahanjwa sakudlala even Deportivo is serious this time around.
La Corona.
Ramrambinya is coming up nice, but Iada putting ama rings kona ngade. What happened to Maswingo? Because mina when kauthi Maswingo yiyo
Since last season ingani yaluyisa laphana. Ngicela nje iza continue this season ibe yiyo number
plus
1.
imali ababanike Iada is now proving ukuthi ifuna ukuphenduka than eMaswingo. Kumbe ukuthi Iada
Mashingo asiyolo president orezana.
Maswingo.
Masungu ayelamsindo.
Maswingo aso Maswingo.
Somtare City Rovers.
I think Eastern Region, but alright, Eastern Region. Ngicabanga ibizo lakhona, but it's Eastern Region. Then Northern Region yakhanja utry. Yazi issue le Masutu Mfubuza wena. Liyakhala ngabo coach. Besuke kwayilinda. But bengasuka kwayilinda they do well.
System.
Because bengithe ngikhangela nge-weekend utry usethethe iHarare City wayifaka phezulu ngani iHarare City sifuna ukungena ngithe ngakhumbula ukuthi kanti utry nguyahamba ngani ade ya-check fica utry is in charge. What happened ungakhangela ucoach khala utry here, utry this, utry.
Right. Highlanders has got two big problems in Highlanders where people they don't realize. I'm sorry, Angilanda would listen to President Tande, but it can also the Kulu. Our problems on two Highlanders, it's one is the executive and two are the fans. Those are the two problems Those are the two problems abakhona. Ngike ngakhuluma siqalisa futhi episode ngoBenjamin ngobench ukuthi khona iproblem eleka kwaLenders is patience. Ama-supporters eLenders that lack patience. Ama-supporters eLenders they think that eBoreni they are the only team that is supposed to win. Bekhohlwa ukuthi nxa ungene ground ama-team angithulana afuna ukuyalwela 3 points then e1 ibisiyithatha. That's where the problem is. They don't accept ukuthi khona kulama mistakes eBoreni. They think everything kuyenzakala ukuthi ngawuyenze so. You have got a second thought ukubona ukuthi ngawuyenze so. That person has got only a split of a second to decide ex ground. You don't take that into consideration as ama-supporters eLenders. Lifuna kuhlale kumnandi insuku zonke. Alibekezeli. That's where the problem is kwaLenders. Bengafunda ukubekezela, befunda ukustomaka the pain as eLenders fans. Then eLenders can go somewhere further. Because inkulumo ezikhulunywa ngabantu ziyafika endlebeni zama-coach. Ziyafika endlebeni zama-players. Nxa umntwana sengene ground, ucoach team engene ground. Those things zingavele zithi qhwi kubuye. Usathane kubise ngesikhathi eseground eyenza imistake kubise those mistakes ayala esenzakala and usuphambanisa kuyafana nokuthi ngikuthi Masudu ngithi useless empilweni ngizikhulume nento useless usichiyane lakho uthi usazama ukwenza something ubone ungaphumeleli seliphenduka ibala likabutho ukuthi useless liya kudemoralize that word. So inkulumo yama supporters kakhulu ukuthi abakwanisi ukuaccepta idefeat abakwanisi uaccepta i-draw, they only want a win is the problem. Number 2, i-executive ye-Highlanders ile problem yokuthi khona bafuna ukuthi kuyenza ukuthi isiyibo. They don't want to do things in a way of football. Bengakwenza ngendlela yebhora, bevumele ama-coach run ibhora as the technical team ukuthi nxa besehluleka sisithi right, what ufuna lokhu lalokhu wehluleka sakwenzela. Why ungakwenza? Ama-players ayahamba 3 months bengaholi, they don't even bother about that. Umuntu lona uyalotsha, umuntu lona abantwana abafunda esikolo, umuntu lona ama-needs ufuna ukugqoka. Nxa ekhangela abanye abantwana kwamanye ama-team uzothola khona lingawini igame lesaliniki 500, sebewinile sebengezelelwa imali sokuyi 200, sokuyi 700. Wena kini liyehluleka just ukuphiwa $100. Ayibe $100 but ibuye ngelanga lepay. Khona it motivates as well. And it makes umsebenzi wama-coach ube lula. Ucoach kafuzanga ukuthi nxa ese-ground eqale ecabanga ukuthi how to manage the boys ukuthi ngiba convince ukuthi besebenze imali ngekho. Inkinga nale isuka ku-administration. I-administration ingakwanisa ukuthi imali encane nale abalayo bebanike ama-players. Nxa kuyikuthi ayikho bekhulume ngesikhathi bebalande bafana behlathane phansi. Hayi madoda, khathesi isimo sibi. Siyazama ukuthi siriholise but sizazama ukuthi njani sithi maybe half. Then lingalindi ukubuzwa, lingalindi ukuthi kube le strike. So khona yikho ku-affect ibhoso kakhulu as a coach. Ikululu wazathi ngulula nti wazathi khona even Jesus cannot coach Highlanders. So khona yi-problem ekhona the fans and the executive. Those are the challenge ku-Highlanders.
Mana simnike right of reply.
Mina
awuvumile kodwa
uvumile ukuthi problem as
mina ama-supporters always talk. Ungazwe ingindi wazana. Ama-supporters vele, supporter is always a supporter. Angeke mvume khonapho. Now lapho emvumelana layo uyakwazi ukuthi ubutho ngojalo for ama-example uyazi ungathi le mota uhawukele ezinye imoto ukuthi exhaust yayo ithonta amanzi kusukela kunjini injini ye-Highlander ibolile eyiyo ibhodi ye-Highlander. So kuba nzima embuzweni ka-Asho ukuthi kuyini okwenza ama-coach ngale fike progress. You can't coach umuntu olambileyo. You can't coach uye ku-training lo muntu okukhona onayo ongaholanga osho la ukuthi kunje so ukhangelela i-rent alimnikanga imali. Then you expect someone ukuthi ayenze kahle lawe i-coach yakho ibe kuhle. No. Abafana labana babesuka bengela mali behawula besoya amadola ugada.
That's true.
Yet i-board yona idla imali. I-problem eku-Highlanders is not about ama-fans. I-problem eku-Highlanders kubole ku-administration, executive ye-Highlander yonke vele. Kube kuthiwa iyaklinwa kutsha iqale kutsha kufakwa abantu bebhora. Because now bekukhala ngokunye sasiqala angazi kwa-episode bani sasafika uma-episode 100 and something. Lokho kukhulunywa ngelokozeni. Nanku manje sokukhulunywa ile score rate manje eBotswana. Ayikho nakhona apha elizweni. Ile score rate ihamba yaze yakwenza i-score rate komakhelwane. So vele it's not about the fans. Fans they always talk about ngazi coach ukuthi one kumbe even ku la yakwazi sake sebukela i-social. Fans are always saying everything, even ku coach ukutshele ku everything.
That's true.
But i-board ye-Highlander baba. Nje ile score rate nga eBotswana. So sesaba uthi asikwazi lapha ehamba yakhona kwenza emalawo beba amalawo labantu abangafundanga khona ukwenza ku-computer wise maybe lezi correct futhi emalawo
siyavumela
ehamba yayo
siyavumela nakhona siyavumela nakhona bomdluli. Inkinga engikhuluma nxa ngikhuluma ngama-fans, ama-fans they always talk, that's their right to always talk. But kule ndlela yokukhuluma the football language, le ndlela yokukhuluma ngaso football language. Let's go back to the issue kaloku zenini kaMonga leyana engangi-interview khona abantu. People were no longer talking the language of football because of those 2 misses kaMonga. That thing indlela elebekhuluma ngayo it kills umuntu. You don't attack a person as a person, you attack her as a player ukuthi uyehlulekile ebhoreni. That's what I'm talking about as a supporter. You don't attack uBenji as a person, you attack him as a coach. But lina lim attack both as a person as a coach. They attack a player both as a player as a person. That it becomes wrong. That's where ama-supporters ebhoso lapha wrong khona. So ungazuthi khona angisho ukuthi ama-supporters akhulume. Ama-supporters afuze ekhulume. But don't attack umuntu as umuntu, attack as a player. Because umuntu lwana uyehluleke as a player not as a person. uBenji uyehluleka as a coach not as a person. You attack the person umuntu, you usumdemoralizile ivalue yakhe. usumdemoralizile ukuthi khona isithunzi sakhe kasazizwa la nxa ingene ground
okutshela umuntu ukuthi siyakwazi number 6
yabona manje usesesaba ukuthi ngayenza futhi the same mistake bazanilanda e6 yabona that's the problem ukuthi ibhora liphela licha ucoach ngezigubhu lapha ekhanda nxa esiyangena eground lama ideas abelayo ku training ahle phele wonke ungabuye ekhanda lokho kuyamchayisa ngovalo
but into yakhona ikhona yini butho ngoba yabona besikhuluma ngo trial recently bekwa yini is now taking Harare City to
is a good coach
to the top
but the fact yokuthi khona ku-institution ekhulunywa lokuze nini wena ngaze uthathe lokuze intombazane lo mfana uLewis Hamilton umnikile ukuze nisigwedlemba sebesekhombe esiwane sokusavinya phana kumbe ibenzi uthi nasanamba la akayenzi lutho it's not about the driver, it's about the engine of the car which is dead. Siyavumelana laye, it's not about the driver. Exactly, it's not about engine yena ayikhulumileyo is what is bad. It's not about the driver. That is why umuntu engasuka kwa-Islanders uyahambe ekwenza kahle. Ama-supporters a-Islanders have cried now and again for the engine overhaul, but abayitholi. That is the language of football which they are talking. But against when they're attacking the coach as a person, when they're attacking a player as a person, that's where my challenge is.
But befuna sesingene ku PSL mana ngikhumbule nxa ubukele please sikhalile uqaliseni lokho sikhalela last week subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. Ibale lesikhiwa lokho
ubuthi uyatsofa
uthinte subscribe.
Yabotosa.
But press khona subscribe.
Akudingi lutho.
Also remember to engage us in the comments section. And this episode is probably brought to you by Lucky Bets. Now go to luckybets.co.zw, become a panda. Lento eziningi ngona ku-Lucky Bets uyabheja ibhora, ubheja casino, kulama free spins, kulama framachina. There's just a lot, and we encourage people to bet responsible, and you should be 18 and above. Back to irregular programming. When City gents PSL ama results siwabonile this week. Ngiyakhuluma ngokuvandalizwa kanye utsho mlawe ngathi
uyakhuluma ngokuvandalize
vandalize
it is vandalize one
ama games aqalise nge-Saturday, whereby we saw on Saturday let me read out the results on Saturday asembalekile awula etuze lapha kanye
Saturday Chiefs yadliwa 3-1 yantas game yaqala
ngifuna
utayiblawa
Chiefs
ekalokuzenele kamas andibiza njalo
usavereza
uthi blawa Chiefs
usavereza akwazi ngifuna ukumbuza there's something that's happening ama results kubulawa Chiefs ama results are not forthcoming James. What's happening kubulawa Chiefs because yeqase udliwa iHunters and be team ebingani idliwa izo zonke elidla 3
iHunters yona yodwa nxa uyikhangele they've got good players, they've got good names, tried and proven players abaningi bakhona. So if you make a mistake against Hunters, you go. Even like nxa wabona igame yaLanders lapha niziwini wabona iHunters was dominating the play.
So far that
iHunters was dominating the play. So you have to understand when you make a mistake against such teams, you are dead.
But losing 3
and
khonapho bebedrawile remember sikhuluma ngedraw yabo eManika ama results they are not forthcoming and thina I'm one person ongafuna ukubona ama teams akubulawa esehla eseseya le relegation. Actually we need more teams from this side ku PSL because only have 3 teams.
Maluchwane
kakhulu.
They are over 8.
Mina ngizwa ukuthi complain about i-first 11. Yani into baba right complain ama first 11 ama teamini. Now we are approaching second leg. Ungazibona ungucoach uqalele team lokungawulala first. Ka sikhuluma about Scotland. Scotland isibambene baba ukuthi isingumchina into ofika uchaya isikhiwo ngaphandle izihambele. But ama team la safayo lawa i-first 11 iyahlupha because they are still trying baba
to build.
kungani abantu abafika ku swimming pool ukuthi lapha kuthona ungakanani
sesiku-match week
Ibulawayo Chiefs sisapha khonokho Ibulawayo Chiefs sisapha khonokho ngeke uyibukele namhla Ibulawayo Chiefs iwini uyayilanda next week uthole ukudlala same team yabi 23
I wish usavereza ngabe ukhona
yabi 23
but next week abekhona ezoyimela i-team yakhe then kini futhi from ilos liya ku-Agama and ngizitshela ukuthi imagine
maybe safika sevu
i-chicken ini yafika ivukele ku-Agama liyadraw le-Agama 0-0 bra
kubuhlungu kuba yisupporter bro kubuhlungu kuba yisupporter because akula support elifuna i-team yakhe idliwe but i-result liyabuya linjalo lidliwe wende futhi ufuzile amukele and akula nto ongayenza because you are just there to praise samba that's
what's happening ngoba ungacheck sizakhuluma la ngelokho yabo lokho i-chicken ile bula Chiefs
it's affecting even I think affect ama coaches affect ama players kana ukuthi khona a team of chicken ins caliber because chicken is no longer a small team
it's a big team
nxa si drop ama points so kuyaba affecta kakhulu and going to the next game to that mentality it's hard to produce another results as well so I think maybe kuyafuna sibility bezama ukuthi bechintshe imentality ukuthi bekhohle ukwenzakala emuva beqalisa no sesiqalisela lapha sambeni phambili because singavele sicabanga ngokwenzakala emuva siphuma asikhiphe result
then iyayilinda bra tell one of all teams and remember you talk ebesikhona that week
ingaveli win isithethe
no so I'm one of akade sebe calculator so bese calculator ukhaya number 28 points and then ithina sikhona lapha sile 22 6 points yabo sositshela ukuthi vele yi1 kona bani ngaveli lalisa kuphela siya replace yabona siya replace njalo but ukuthi unfortunately nje ibhora lidlalwa njalo lisuka lona lidlalwe eground kuwina abawinayo kodwa ithe one ibhora igame yama chances wafethu umuntu engathola ichance yakhe akayithatha
but you see what I'm talking about the trend of the Bulawayo team
yeah kunokana kubuhlungu mina I always tell ukuthi kona I'm a chicken fan first but any team which is in Bulawayo which is in Bulawayo lapha is my team that is why ngibona nxa uMasuthu uhleze ngibona nxa ukuthi i-chicken like yami ngise-BF ngibukela ibhola nisupport iBoss nxa iBulawayo Chiefs idlala ngami ngise-BF nisupport i-Chiefs la nxa sengakhuluma nje ngiphi umuntu angifuna iBoss idliwe sabe sidlala kokuchokana nje selamajita but enhlizweni yami ngifuna iBoss iwin enhlizweni yami ngifuna iChiefs iwin
mina kuwa Highlanders anjo angazi kumbe manje libuza umbuzo engababuza siphuma ebhoreni lapha abantu they say mina ngangani lokusola ukuthi uMoro yabensola kakhulu but ngani lokusola
awona vele uMoro usola every day
hayi sometimes yabensola ama mboni lapha athi kumele uyenze so anje as a support okay ngabuza umbuzo onje kati nangani uma hatshi kade ele suspension yama yellow card anje i-team yasali winner versus Hunters engekho manje so as a coach madoda asikhulumeni football uyakwazi umuntu lwana uyachisa and nguye umuntu vele manje usefomini le experience yonke then kwenzakele ukuthi udlale lwana igame engekho not ukuthi because of ama suspension lokho then sungamfaka phandle umsadline ngenxa ukuthi lani team iwinile so kumele ubuyisele as a coach kumele ubuyisele lani team ewinileyo
right nza kuphendula khonapho ngiyinto elokho ngitshela futhi abantu yabona inkinga naleyo ucoach lapho engizamsola khona khonapho ukuthi umonga ubengekho i-team iwina but uthebuye umonga wamjikela eground so akasela excuse ukuthi why umangathi ngasamjikela ngeground because ujikela umonga ube i-team iwina na kuna ngabe befuna ukumaintaina the winning team umonga ubufuze besebhenchini umangathi besebhenchini you understand. But the problem now, ANC Highlanders ingaproduce some results. I've been saying this to people. Ngazi ngi-right kumbe ngi-wrong. Umonga ngumfana omncane. Umonga ule talent. No one can dispute that. Umonga uyalazi ibhola. The mistake that the journalists have done, the mistake that people have done is that they've said Umonga is the star man for iBoss. So therefore, ama senior players, it's hard ukuthi bedlalela umonga ibhola. Kunzima ukuthi bemdlalela umonga ibhola ngengumfana omncane bemfice ngikhona ekhaya. Wena ngufice lapha kulokuzeni kuDebu usupervisor wami Semfika mina sensiba ngubhosi wakho mina ngifika namhlanje. It's hard ukuthi uthatha ama-orders kimi. It's so, that's natural, it's natural. Kunzima khona kana ukuthi ombeba bavele bekhona khona ngale. Sebesizwa ngomonga. So nganto yakona umonga nguyibhosi. Yena umonga le first season kubhosi. Uma ombeba basukela behawula besuka kathana. That's ama-journalist indlela ababulele ngayo ibhosi khona phana. Umfana ule talent but bama-hype kakhulu. Bema-hype kakhulu, therefore ama-players awasadlali ibhora ngendlela futhi bedlale ngayo. Because sebesesaba ukuthi nxa bedlala badlalela yena. Yikubona ibhora lana balikhuthileyo ukuze nini ku-try ku-tell one bebelibangisana bengu-2 wagcina walithatha futhi phambili but ngathi akababangisananga ubefuzela ipasi yokuhle lihlohle.
Hey kunengi mana ngiqedisa ama-results ngeSaturday iHunters idla ibulawayo Chiefs 3-1 Agama Chicken 0-0 Ingezi ithole ifomu yayo back after first defeat yadla iMozi 1-0 iTel1 yadla iYilenda 1-0 then iScotland yadla iHerintals 2-0 Sunday Manica Diamonds leDynamos draw 2-2 iCaps yadla iPC Kariba 3-2 iTriangle yadla iPlatinum 1-0 then iHard Rock yadla iSimba Bora 3-0. Those are the results. Let's look at the fixtures, the upcoming fixtures for. We've got midweek games, by the way. So kusasa siyabukela ibulawayo Chiefs the Tel1 APF kusasa Tuesday. So it's that time of the show. It's if you're feeling lucky with lucky bets. I'm a predictions gents. Bulawayo Chiefs Tel1 kusasa.
Bulawayo Chiefs. True.
Yeah, they've lost too much Chiefs. They have to win.
They have to bounce back, but I mean I did draw.
So Bulawayo Chiefs yeah. Then Wednesday the 10th it's ZPC Kariba versus Rentals in Nyamunga.
Rentals who form Kariba ihleki ngale.
Remember vele kulose Rentals.
But still they're in form.
Scotland.
They're still there in form. But Rentals ihleki ngale, so it's a true.
Speaking about Rentals, Rafka 2 months in a row. Premiership player of the month.
They get on busy national team.
Besides, akwazi nxa player selenza so mdala selenza bo player of the month so kulandelana. Uyabusuqalisa ikusiqalisa khona ukuqala ukubumba ama soccer stars of the year. So ngamswela.
But kade simanje ngamsona kade soyithatha this month.
Player of the month.
Ayayithatha.
Then Mozi takes on Manica Diamonds eNgoni Stadium.
Imozi kukhona okwenzakala this season ayifuni ukwenza kade kwenza last season into yaphosa yathatha. So
sakhuluma ukuthi umuntu azangana sepheka kuhle. Onajen Martina even goalkeeper uMapisa bahamba the lost ama players so is rebuilding.
Le ngayinika imanika ngani kukhona okutshintshileyo in a positive way.
Manica ungena wemali. I think they've gone 4 games without 4 or 5 games without defeat. Then FC Platinum takes on Hard Rock Mandava. This one will be I think this one is the game of the midweek games. Yeah.
A tough one, but I'll give it to Hard Rock.
I'm giving to Platinum.
Yeah, mina hamba lokanethi Hard Rock.
Mesisto ziyazi semfuna ungenzeleni. Watsho mlawa the following week base phikisa kakhulu ungafa uyiclip ubakhumbuze. Andabezi bathi ubakhumbuze ukufake khona phara kwenzethe ama viewers bonke utsho lapha bawumana njani. So Chicken in takes on Caps United at Papa Fritz. We're going to enjoy this one.
No, even I want to tell you something that for years and years, no matter how strong or weak we are, Caps United has always been our baby. It's the advantage the Caps. Like Caps is strong then. So if you can maintain that history can favor us.
You're taking this one.
History can favor us.
I mean, I draw because ziyakhala Chicken in so coach usazama ukubona into engalungisa ngapi langa.
Sutman.
Halam ngithi draw but I favor in Chicken.
Then Simba Bora takes on Ngezi eWatsanayi.
Yes.
Uten.
Yes.
Okay.
Win draw ngezi.
Then Dynamos has got Hunters Rufaro.
Yakuvandalize.
Draw.
Dynamos yakuvandalize.
I-Hunters izabamba i-Dynamos. Draw.
Iyawina i-Hunters.
Then Thursday, the last games of the midweek, we've got Scotland taking on Triangle Rufaro.
Abanikazi bebhora
labanye.
La team yachaya manje. Discipline. Ayachaya discipline.
Islanders takes on Agama.
Islanders lapha la yazihlulela.
Draw le.
Iyagama ingcono kule Hunters mntana.
Islanders yadlula.
Then weekend games, Saturday the 13th, we've got ZPC Kariba versus Triangle Nyamunga.
ZPC.
Platinum Stars take on FC Platinum rather takes on Ngezi Platinum Stars Mandawa.
Yes.
True.
The back of the Platinum Miners.
True.
Simba Bora Manika.
Simba yawina.
Ululu. What's an eye?
Simba.
Moz Hunters Ngoni.
Moz.
Yeah. True. Moz.
This week's Abdali Bore PF. Chicken in Rentals.
Hey.
PF.
True. First leg at Sebachaga.
Umdala was a chicken in it. Yakumna mezi kebla eluvevu umdala ebhoza abantu.
Chama you.
Umdala phela sele assist lingakhulu.
Chama you pass.
Yazi umdala assist this season.
The playmaker of this season.
But this time abaphuma ukuthi ke nini.
Abaphuma. Then Sunday the 14th we've got Dynamos versus Telwane Rufaro.
Then Dynamos
yakubulala
ngendlela. Sesiphendwa.
Dynamos yawina.
Then Scotland that rock Labour National Sport. I think was keep national sports today. I don't think but it can play national sports ngoba Dynamos ile Telwane Rufaro. Hey, national sports mina ngibona ngasharp.
Yeah.
Babe taste but
ama-12 lana ko-sharp.
Ngabayiyeki national sports beyiphele.
Beyicunte kuhle utshando bana
ngani bafuna isikwe Scotland nje sidlale national.
Yeah.
So
Jero confident ukuthi Caps bazayini.
Scotland takes on that rock national sports.
I'll give it to Scotland.
Then we've got Bulawayo Derby. Bulawayo Chiefs versus Islanders at Papa Field Stadium.
Lenzima because Bulawayo Chiefs sayidelele boss.
1-1 draw.
It's a draw that one.
Number 1 siyawina 3 this time. Suka Agama. Sesikoleka ama points.
Then last game is Agama versus Cape United. What's that?
Draw. Double chance Agama.
Nale ngayi predict lokuyi predict ama score. Cape yawina maybe 2-1.
Cape yawina.
Adothi Agama madoda.
Yawina Cape 2-1.
So we've had a wonderful show. Those are the predictions. Feeling lucky with lucky predictions. Zabona mina next week kuyazala nkomoni. Please keep supporting us. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and engage us in the comment section. Kulokunye esikuchile enza funa sikubambe next week. Isikhathi sethu bese ngani sesidliwe ngumangoye. Last words Kanye.
Njengoba silokho esiphinda ukuthi bet responsibly no under 18. Uqale ngerent. Then ubusubuye uzodlala lapha eLucky Bets. Others qhubekani ubukela ke ipass and move, like and subscribe and comment. Siyabonga.
Nonetheless,
we are going to vandalize the teams, but we are not going to vandalize the property. So basically what I can say, guys, thank you so much for following us. Keep on following, keep on loving, keep on subscribing. Siyale sithandana, because remember me, it's not a crime ukuthi omunye support Dynamos, omunye support Islanders, omunye support Chiefs, omunye support Chicken. We cannot all support the same team, but as Tandanini, I am because you are, and you are because I am. One love, guys.
Chief Cornerstone.
Mina ngakusho ukuthi abantu abayala besekela sesakhala kakhulu ngokwehliswa kwama prize okungena ungani hayi ilitshe lengasukumi yona iyadrop alani yadrop so asikhohlweni ngakho into abangasenzela yona sicela amanzi bakithi egroundini eshinto azithengiswe egroundini.
So in those words, thank you so much for watching. See you again next week.
Adios.
Ciao.
Ta-da.